Bitget Wallet and Trust Wallet are popular cryptocurrency wallets designed for secure asset management. The core difference lies in Bitget Wallet's strong integration with the Bitget exchange, while Trust Wallet focuses on decentralized multi-chain support and broad compatibility. Bitget Wallet is a crypto wallet developed by the Bitget exchange to provide seamless asset management tightly integrated with its trading platform. It allows users to store, send, and receive a wide range of cryptocurrencies with direct access to Bitget spot and derivatives markets. The wallet supports multi-chain assets but excels in offering features like one-click transfers between wallet and exchange accounts, enhancing trading efficiency. Bitget Wallet emphasizes security through private key encryption and biometric authentication. However, it is more centralized compared to some alternatives, as it is closely linked to the Bitget ecosystem, which might limit flexibility for users seeking fully decentralized options. The interface is user-friendly, making it ideal for active traders and Bitget users who want a streamlined experience managing funds and trading within one platform. Trust Wallet is a decentralized multi-chain cryptocurrency wallet designed to support a wide variety of tokens across Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, and many other blockchains. It allows users to securely store private keys locally, ensuring full control over their assets without reliance on any centralized service. Trust Wallet supports staking, decentralized dApp browsing, and direct interaction with DeFi protocols, making it versatile for both casual holders and advanced users. Its open source nature and broad compatibility with numerous tokens and NFTs make it a favorite for users prioritizing decentralization and asset diversity. However, it does not offer direct exchange integration like Bitget Wallet, which may require users to use third-party platforms for trading. Trust Wallet is ideal for users who want a secure, non-custodial wallet with extensive blockchain support and access to decentralized finance. Bitget Wallet and Trust Wallet serve different user needs. Bitget Wallet offers a smooth bridge between wallet and exchange, perfect for traders who want quick access to Bitget's markets and integrated features. Its centralized connection may limit some decentralization benefits but adds convenience and speed. Trust Wallet, by contrast, provides a fully decentralized experience with wide blockchain compatibility and DeFi access, appealing to users who prioritize asset control and diversity. If you trade frequently on Bitget, the wallet's integration is a major advantage. For users focused on holding diverse tokens, staking, or interacting with decentralized apps, Trust Wallet is better suited. The trade-off is between centralized convenience and decentralized flexibility. Choose Bitget Wallet if you are an active trader on Bitget seeking seamless integration and fast transfers between your wallet and exchange accounts. Trust Wallet is recommended for users who want full control over a wide range of crypto assets with decentralized security and access to DeFi. Consider your priorities carefully to select the wallet that best fits your crypto management style.